Hey everyone, my name is Alex, and in today's video I would like to give you my technical analysis of the cryptocurrency market, more precisely Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So let's start. We're currently on the daily chart of the instrument, and the first thing that I want to say is that we're currently moving in the ABC zigzag, which is a bullish one. And this, the latest price movement is not finished, unfinished wave C, because the price hasn't reached the peak waves of wave A, and I think that the current consolidation right here is wave 4 in wave C. And so what to expect in the nearest future? I think that the price will break the forming fractal right here of 30th of March, and when it happens, I think it will start the fourth wave on this chart and reach at least peak levels of wave A. So the following advice is to wait for the fractal to form. So if today's bar closes with the lower high than 30th of March, then there would be an optimal level to go long, as the fractal is a very reliable trading signal from Bill Williams trading strategy, and with combination of Elliott wave count, it's a really useful tool to forecast the market and trade on any market, on any chart, on any time frame. So my advice to you is look at this chart, because there is a really nice potential for to go north for Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Thank you for your attention, and please write in your comments the cryptocurrency coins that you want me to analyze, and in the next video we're going to be looking at the instruments that you want me to analyze. So thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Bye bye.